Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Larry with Invest and Build Your Credit and Wealth. And today we got definitely a very exciting class. We're going to be talking about five undervalued stocks that I think should with great potential and you should have in your portfolio. But first, I want to say this. Thank you. Thank you for all my new subscribers that are coming out to the channel, hanging out with Invest and Build Your Credit and Wealth. You know the deal. This channel is a two-part channel. It's about helping people restore, build, reestablish, and grow their credit, and also be able to invest in yourself and grow your wealth in the stock market and bringing you great stock that could help you reach those goals of growing your wealth. That's what this channel is all about. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications. You know the deal. Just hang out with us. All you can do is get some free information. Do your research, get some free information, and grow your wealth. All this information is free, right? So let's get into it. We're going to talk about these five stocks. Every one of these stocks are undervalued stocks. I spent the weekend everybody talks about certain stocks, and the stock market has been on a dip. It's been kind of, with the bond yield, people worried about is inflation. People are holding on to more money. There are sell-offs in the stocks. There's so many things going on. We're trying to wait for a stimulus packet. They want to stimulate the economy. The stock market doesn't know where the economy is going, where it's at, what the future is. So it's been pulling back, and it's a correction. We've been on fire. We've been on fire in 2021. There was going to be some pullback and some correction, and everybody that's been in the stock market that understand it knew it was coming. We just didn't know when. You got some people talking it's going to be a crash. Some people saying it's going to be a bear market. Some people say I don't think I just think we're going to have a pullback. It just stocks have just been way overvalued. And I just knew they were going to be some kind of pullback, and I understood that. So like I was telling, people that in my group, in my Facebook group, hey, ride the wave, buy good stocks on the dip, and continue to not worry about what's happening right now. We are going to change and start moving in the right direction, but it's all about making sure you're investing in the right stocks. So let's get over these five stocks, these undervalued stocks that I think are great opportunities for you out there. So number one, Impala, IMPALA, Platinum. Ticker symbol is IMPUY. Right now, this stock is trading at about $18.09 and it's trading on the OTC. The market cap for this stock is 14.3 million. The industry it is in is precious metal mining. You know the deal. A lot of that is coming up with the electrification and EV cars and so much going on. This mining of precious metals is being it is a long-term investment, but it is so pertinent to where we're moving at in the society. And you definitely need to make sure that you're investing in these companies because they're moving forward and you should be moving forward with them. This company is in Africa, mainly in South Africa and Zimbabwe. The stock is undervalued compared to its price. Remember, we're talking about undervalued stock. This stock is valued at $31.22 a share, right? Now, remember, the stock price is $18.09, and this stock is valued at $31.22 a share. Undervalued, great opportunity. Payout, and it also pays a dividends of 1.35 dividend yield. 1.35% dividend yield. This company, when you read up on this company, they're looking to be a winner in the hydrogen sector. This is a long-term stock. It is something for long-term growth, not a swing trade. Definitely, but great opportunity at a great price, a great stock price to get into. Let's move into number two. Now, number two is another one I like because I got one of these in the house. Sleep Numbers, right? Ticker symbol SMBR. The stock price right now is $131.23. It is trading on the NASDAQ. The market cap for it is 3.3 million. You know the industry, it's in retail. Now, again, let's talk about how much undervalued this stock is. This stock is undervalued compared to its price. The stock is valued at $179.66 a share, but it's priced at $131.23. The last earnings call, they had an earnings per share of $4.43. Year over year, this stock has increased 198%. So definitely, and it's still undervalued. This company, now remember, Sleep Number is just not an American company. This is a global company. So the global smart bed market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 4.8% through 2026. So projected growth. This is only 2021, and they're talking about this continued growth up until 2026. Cash flow has always been a priority of Sleep Numbers. And Sleep Number reported cash flow of $287 million for the last 12 months, which is an all-time high for the company. So this is my second stock. Do your research. Do your research. Definitely every one of these stocks I will be investing. I've been all weekend like, with all this stuff, I need to look for some undervalued stocks, some good companies that have potential to growth over the long term where I can put my money into. So Sleep Numbers, don't sleep on it. The next one is called Louisiana Pacific Corporation, ticker symbol LPX, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Market cap is 5.1 million. What industry they're in? They're in building and forest products. You know, with the housing market, there's a shortage in houses. I could take you in my neighborhood. They're popping up houses out here like crazy. And I'm telling you, this is another one that really caught my eye. This stock is undervalued compared to its price. This stock is valued at $81.36. The share price right now is $48.43. Last earnings, the EPS, earnings per share, was $3.59. This stock also has a dividend yield of 1.32%. Year over year, the stock is up 66.66%. The company completed a $2 million share buyback and still $300 million remains. That's a good sign when a company is buying back their shares. The company increased quarterly dividends by 10%. Buybacks, increasing dividends, strong company. Pay attention. The company exceeded their 3-year growth efficiency target, and the EBITDA impacted 178 million. The company expects a smart side of OSB sales to be 35% and 15% higher respectively in the next quarter relative to the same period a year ago. Continued growth. What was impressive to me was even during the pandemic, revenues increased 21%. The EPS grew from negative 0.04 in 2019. Check this out. It grew from negative 0.04 in 2019 to 4.46 in 2020. This is a remarkable performance. That's number 3, undervalued stack. And listen to the growth of these companies. See, people ain't talking about these companies. I'm bringing you because I'm digging, I'm researching. I'm following the same stocks everybody want to talk about. These are undervalued stocks that we need to be looking into. There are stocks out there that are great buys and undervalued that have growth potential and are doing the right things. So let's make it to number 4. This is the number 4 that I really like. I think it's Winnebago, Winnebago Industry, ticker symbol WGO, trading at $73.96, trading on a New York Stock Exchange. The market cap is 2.4 million. Industry, building, mobile, MFG, and RVs. Right? This stock is undervalued compared to its price. The stock is valued at $115.99. And I just told you, share price right now is $73.96. Last earnings report, earnings per share was $5.59. This also has a dividend yield of 0.65%. Year over year, this stock is up 61.48%. This company demonstrates solid execution as it capitalizes on the consumer's demand for outdoor recreation, right? You know, we're coming out this pandemic. People going to want to be out. People going to want to go fishing, camping, hanging out, whatever. So with people are, as we reopen, you're seeing these reopening stocks are going to start booming. Pay attention. This company, Winnebago, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, is leading North America manufacturer of quality motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheel products, and boats. So there's a lot of people like to hang out in them woods, like to travel, like to fish, like to go camping. So it's a big thing. Organic revenues grew by 22% to 674 million. Gross profit improved by more than 74% year over year and is driven by a 390 BPS increase in gross profit margin. I'm telling you, all these companies I'm naming are great companies, a lot of growth, and they're undervalued. That's the thing. A lot of people, we are buying a lot of stocks that are overvalued. And now that the stock market is taking a hit, we're seeing all them pullbacks. And then we say, oh man, the stock is going down, down, down. Overvalued stock, overvalued. We need to be looking at these stocks that are undervalued with a lot of potential to grow. Now, I say number 5 because this is one I'm loving every single one of these, but this is one that I'm like, yes. This is a winner for me and definitely one that I'm definitely going to be digging deep into. And we're going to go over why. D.R. Horton, ticker symbol DHI. Right now, trading at $79.01. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Market cap, 28.7 million. What industry is it in? Building, residential, and commercial. Come on, you know there's a shortage. And the number of houses that are needed, man, continue business. The stock is undervalued compared to its price. This stock is valued at $134.74 a share. But the share price is only $79.01. Last earnings report, the earnings per share, $8.08 per share. Also with a dividend yield of 1.01%, right? Year over year stock is up 39.32%. D.R. Horton is an undervalued when with the housing market booming. Think about that. The housing market is booming and there's still an undervalued stock. Better get in. D.H. Horton generates the second biggest ROIC and ROE in the sector with room to improve. Our 105 cents per share estimated of intrinsic value implies a potential upside of up to 35%. Up to 35%. some of the other things that I want you to know. Listen to this. The sector fundamentals. The pandemic has accelerated that set the housing market on fire. The underproduction of single family homes over the past decade should be a long-term tailwind for years to come, right? The estimated and a cumulative shortage of 3.3 million single family homes started over the past decade. Several market indicators are all pointing to a continuous strength in the housing market as potential home buyers continue to leave dense urban settings for the suburbs and rural areas, right? In August of 2020, the NAHB Home Builders Segment Index tied an all-time high of 78 sets at the end of 1998. Check this out. The NAHB Home Builder Segment Index reached a record of 90 in November of 2020. The index has remained above 78 every month since August and currently sits at 83. Right? Let's talk about inventory. This is why I'm so excited about this stock, and definitely that I found it. There are approximately 890,000 existing single family homes for sale in the U.S. This equates to about 1.8 month of supply. 1.8 month of supply. Existing homes for sale and month supplies are both the lowest level ever recorded since 1981. In 12, 21, 20 month supply reading of 1.8, the first time this ratio has ever been below 2. So just think about that. Just think about that. Just this to me, man, this stock really broke out when I just really think about the housing market. You know, people are buying. So we expect DH revenues to increase 22% over the next 12 months. From year 2 through year 5, we expect the revenues to grow 7% per year. By year 10, revenue grow by 1.12%, continual growth. Those are my 5 undervalued stock. This is all about invest and build your credit and wealth. All about finding those nuggets, those undervalued nuggets, right? That with the potential for growth. So do your research. Come follow me, because I'm going to dig for these type of stocks. I'm dig for these ones that going. Yes, we like the Neos. We like the Apples. We like all of those. We like these penny stocks. But you definitely better have some good stocks, some solid stocks with potential to grow that are undervalued, with potential for upside. That's what you should be looking for. But anyway, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the thumbs up. Hey, if you like the content that I put out, hit the thumbs up. Just pay attention. I was talking to somebody that was really talking about credit. Shout out to my dude, Juan. I'm going to shout you out. Had a great conversation with him about just credit and just all about, how we leverage and how we grow our wealth. And he said, man, I want to get into stocks, but I just don't know what to do. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do a simple beginner, stock. How do you get into the stock market? What do you do? What brokerage should you open up? How do you educate yourself? What kind of apps can help you? What should you do? We're going to cover and go step by step on what you do. I'm definitely going to do a video. I think that's a powerful video, and a lot of people would like that video because some people are just scared of the stock market. They don't want to invest because they don't know what to do. They're scared they're going to lose their money. And man, my journey has been amazing, and I want to pass this on to y'all. So hey, I definitely want to hit that video. I definitely want to give that to y'all. I think that's going to be one of my next videos that I'm going to put out. maybe one of my next 2 videos, because I got to put out another credit video to help my credit folks out. But I'm definitely going to put out some more of these stocks. I'm looking for some more undervalued stocks and some stocks we need to be investing in too. So definitely going to be coming back with some strong content, because we trying to get it. This time about investing to $1 million is where we trying to go. So end of the month, I'm going to show my portfolio, because people need to see what I'm doing, what's going, where I'm moving, what direction I'm moving in. And I want to be transparent with y'all. So don't want to be all talking, no play. Right. So but anyway, I appreciate y'all. Please, like, again, subscribe to the channel, man. Don't be slipping there. It's that little button that says subscribe, and then it changed to subscribed, and then hit that bell for notifications for all, and then stroll over there to that like and hit that like button. Don't hit it on, and then hit it off. Hit it on, let it stay put, and then I appreciate y'all. So I'm happy that I'm able to bring y'all some good content for real. So y'all have a blessed evening, and I'll be back.